Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are doing another TJ MAXX haul, my favorite store on the planet. I could literally shop there every single day and never get sick of it. The last TJ MAXX haul that I did a lot of like knickknacks and just like really random stuff, and you guys loved it. This time I did a full clothing haul. I have probably 5 outfits or so to show you guys. So today I'm going to show you a couple of new outfits that I just got, and I want you to rate them. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to turn on the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and try on some clothes. First outfit is, of course, a jumpsuit, because I can't live without jumpsuits in my life. I literally would wear a jumpsuit every single day if I could, which I can, so I typically do. I already removed the tags, but I'm pretty sure I paid $12.99 for it. The brand is called Caution to the Wind, and it's adorable. So here it is. It's so stinking cute, you guys. Okay, so it has this little tie around the neck. It also has a little tie around the waist, which you can tie it in the back, you can tie it in the front, you can kind of tie this wherever you want. You can tie it in the middle, on the side, and it's kind of got the little like flouncy feel to it. It's got a little ruffle at the bottom. I love this color. It's like a golden yellow shade. It's beautiful, it's comfortable, and it was $12.99. This is outfit number 1. What do you think? Very quickly, we're gonna take a little break to thank today's sponsor, and that is Dossier. If you know me, you know that I love perfume, I love fragrances. I live by the quote from Estee Lauder: perfume is like a new dress, it makes you feel simply marvelous. And that is how perfume and smelling good makes me feel. It's like the perfect finishing touch to any outfit. And with Dossier, you'll be covered for any event that you have in your life. Dossier is a luxury-inspired perfume company. They carry women's, men's, and unisex fragrances. They are cruelty-free, they have clean ingredients, and their fragrances start at $29. So the price point is just right. You can find some of your favorite perfumes and fragrances that you would typically find in a department store for a fraction of the cost. And you guys know every month I share with you 2 new fragrances, so let's see what I got this month. This month's fragrances are for my men out there. I do typically get fragrances for my husband from Dossier, and he loves their fragrances too. As always, they come in this cute little box, and they come with a little insert that talks all about your fragrance, what it's inspired by, the notes in it. So this one is inspired by Chanel, Bleu de Chanel perfume, and this one is called Citrus Ginger. Oh my gosh. This one definitely has a very spicy kind of scent to it, and it has notes of peppermint, lemon, ginger. I think I can kind of smell that ginger in there. This smells so good. My husband is going to love this. I know him, and I know kind of the fragrances that he likes. He's going to love this one. And one of the things I really love about Dossier is if for some reason you don't like the fragrance, you can send it back for a full refund or exchange it, but no perfume goes to waste. All of their return fragrances go to charity, so I really love that. And then the next fragrance that I got is called Gourmand OrangeBlossom, and this one is inspired by Lancome's La Vie Est Belle perfume. I'm sure I butchered that pronunciation. It has notes of orange blossom, blackcurrant, hazelnut, praline, vanilla, a lot of different things. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I'm telling you guys, if you have not checked out Dossier's fragrances, you're missing out. These are literally the best smelling perfumes and colognes that I have ever smelled. You can definitely smell there's a little bit of a fruitier scent to this. The other one was the Citrus Ginger. This one is Gourmand OrangeBlossom. Definitely very different in scent, but both still so incredibly amazing. If you haven't jumped on the dossier train yet, I'm gonna leave the link in my description box. I also have a discount available with them, so I will leave that in the description box as well to save you some money. And now back to our regularly scheduled program. Outfit number 2 is a bodysuit plus a kind of like mom jean style jean. I'm obsessed with it. This is outfit number 2. The bodysuit is by the brand Aurora. It's A-U-R-A. Got it for $9.99, and the jeans are by the brand Rewash, and I believe these jeans were $19.99. This bodysuit is a ribbed style bodysuit. It has like the little ridges in it, but the material is like really stretchy, really soft. And this I have underneath is like it's kind of like a sports bra. I got that from Amazon, but it is this pink and black little leopard deal. And here's the mom jean. I'm obsessed. So the mom jeans have these rips in the knee, which I love, and it has the little elastic at the bottom, which gives me total like early 90s vibes, and I am just loving this. Now these are a little bit big in the waist. I had to get, I think I got like a size 7 in these, but they do have a little bit of a gap in the back, which you could easily pop on a belt. With that, I could totally put on like a cute pair of wedges with this, or just throw on some tennis shoes. Adorable. Okay, outfit number 2. What is your rating for this? Let me know. Okay, this next outfit really isn't a full outfit because I just got the shorts from TJ Maxx. This little top, this little crop top I got from Amazon. It's in my Amazon store, which I have linked in the description box below. But these shorts are by the brand For the Republic. I got them for 10 bucks. They're just really great lounging shorts. They're so soft. You could totally pair these with a little t-shirt or a little crop top. But these are so cute, so comfy. I really wanted like a super comfy pair of shorts to just throw on when I want to lounge and be comfortable. So there is these, and I love them. 10 bucks, can't beat it. Okay, rate my outfit. All right, outfit number 4. This one is very like boho chic-esque. I love it. The shirt is by Bonsallo, and it was $7.99. It's like a little crop deal. I'll show you in a second. And then the pants are by, who are they by? Vanilla Star, and these were $14.99. Here is this little outfit. The pants have the slit on the sides. So it's like a little peekaboo, you know, you can see your little calf, and it's so cute. It has pockets, and it has these cute little stripes, and the colors and everything just remind me of something very kind of boho chic. Again, super comfortable and just casual outfit. The waistband is super duper elastic, very stretchy. You could easily throw on a jean jacket over this little top and spice it up, but it's so cute. So cute, so cute. Okay, so outfit number 4. Rate it, let me know. Okay, next. Okay, I almost forgot that I have another bodysuit from that same brand, A-U-R-A. Aura, I guess is how you pronounce it. $9.99. I got this beautiful like minty green color. It's so pretty. They're so comfortable, and I mean honestly I do think that I could wear it with these pants. I think it still goes in the same color family, color palette, so this could be really cute together. What would you wear with these pants? Would you do the previous crop top, or would you do this mint green bodysuit? Let me know. I have 2 more, and this is number 6 or 7. I don't know, I've lost count, but this is just a super cute, simple black dress. I felt like this dress was super universal. Like I literally could throw on a pair of sneakers with it, or I could throw on a cardigan or a jacket or even like a blazer, dress it up, put on some pumps, and call it a business outfit. Very, very universal, but I believe I got this one for $12.99. But here you go. Has this nice little split right here. And it's not too short. The slit is not too high. It's still a very good length. I feel confident, I feel comfortable, I feel covered, I still feel modest, but a little sexy with the little slit. I just love this. For $12.99, I feel like every single person in the world should have a little black dress like this in their closet that they can just pop on and be out the door in a jiff. This is a staple. This is a staple that should be in everybody's closet. One more outfit. Okay, last but not least is this little lounge set. This is one that you really could wear to the gym, or you could wear it to lounge around the house, or you could wear it wherever you feel like wearing it. But it is the most comfortable thing that I have ever put on my body. The material of it is literally like butter. And again, this is from that same brand, Aura, A-U-R-A. This whole set was $19.99 and I'm obsessed. It's this charcoal gray kind of color. And it's this like, it's like a little crop top, but the pants are so high that it doesn't look like a crop top. And once again, I have that little sports bra underneath, but here's the pants. And I just love it. This is so stinking comfortable. I can't even explain it to you. I wish you could feel this fabric literally like butter against my skin. It just feels so amazing. It's not like a normal fitness pant where it's super tight, where you feel like you can't breathe and there's a lot of compression. This is just super soft and comfy. I did personally size up in this because I wanted it to be comfortable, so I got a large and it fits me really, really nicely without being tight. So that is my last outfit. What do you guys think? And yeah, that is it for this TJ Maxx haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my new items, and that is it for this video. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.